Move the muscle.
That she really. Oh my god.
Are you recording? Oh my gosh, you're recording.
And she laughed more. Talk about primer. This is e.l.f. I want you to get this primer.
Okay.
This is Hydro Grip.
Now you know you're gonna have to send me that because I'm going to completely forget.
I've done makeup on somebody in
A long time. One of her most popular YouTube videos. Oh, it's not gonna hear me, right? Okay, great. One of her most popular YouTube videos is when she did makeup on this, oh my gosh, beautiful dark skin girl, and it has like 1 million views.
I love that for you.
2 million. Views.
Correction. 2
My
million
bad.
views. I love that for you.
she said, wait a minute. But I'm not even gonna lie. It wasn't even like it was like, oh my god. It was like I had posted like 3 videos for like 4 months consecutively. 3 videos a week on YouTube.
My sister did a video on me for Mother's Day. I watched it one time. I need to do it again. Because I really high-key want to be a makeup girly.
Girl, you can be a makeup girly. You are already a makeup girly. You put makeup on your face, don't you?
What'd you say?
You put makeup on your face, don't you?
Sure.
Like, exactly. Look up.
So do you have to do corrector and concealer?
Corrector is mostly just for those dark areas, because I know you love this because it's science, but the dark areas of your skin are actually, the undertone of the dark areas of your skin are blue. So
blue?
yeah.
Is that for everybody or just
most dark skinned women. So the orange corrects it back to brown.
I thought it was red.
I told you, like, okay, let me explain this.
Oh wow! Oh,
you know how they're like. Have you seen bruises? You know how bruises are technically
turn blue and purple.
Exactly. Under eye circles and under eye bags are technically blue. And like darkness, hyperpigmentation, even though it's dark on your skin, if you were to strip the colors of your skin, it's blue. So the orange corrects it back to your skin tone.
I knew it was like a purpose for the colors, but I didn't know the purpose, so I would just not get them.
Yeah, like the green is for red, but the red shows up red on white people. So the green, but redness on black people you can also use green, but the redness on black people most of the time is not even that serious.
Wow, it's giving color wheel.
That's why I said you would like this. That's why I was like, I know you would like this.
It's giving light spectrum.
And also, you can also just like do concealer also, but you'll see the color come through in the concealer. That's the
so you usually but like, sorry, wait, I'm confused. So you did corrector in the dark places, but isn't that the same place you also do concealer?
No.
Oh.
It's a different placement because concealer is to shape your face. So it's a different placement to do.
Concealer is to shape your face?
If you're doing a full coverage look. However, if you're doing like an everyday look, you can use concealer for whatever. Don't get hung up on what I'm using what for.
Okay.
Use whatever you want to use anything for.
Okay.
However, the way I'm using concealer in this makeup is to shape your face.
Okay. Full coverage.
Yeah, because it's full coverage. Because that's what you said. You said you want to do baddie, so I'm going. First of all, I can't not put the audio in this because I feel like this is a learning thing that a lot of people can learn from.
Exactly. Just take out the points where I'm going like this.
No, I'm not.
No,
Absolutely not. Like, absolutely not.
What have you been using?
So I got Fenty in the summer, and then I have like
Now it's showing up so red, but maybe it's gonna calm down because don't
CoverGirl something. But I feel like I can't get the color match right.
I feel like,
and when I bought it from Ulta, you know Ulta girls don't want to be helpful. They could care less. I like going to Sephora, but it was this white guy who he wasn't understanding what I was trying to explain to him about what I was looking for. Bless his heart, but he's so sweet.
I feel like I like Fenty, but it makes me look so orange.
Yeah.
So with this foundation, it is a little redder.
But isn't that why you were going to
even it out?
I was about to say, that's why we got the more yellowish concealer.
Yeah. It's going to even, because it's not all, let me tell you something, especially being a black woman, it is very hard to find a foundation that matches you perfectly.
Yeah.
However, sometimes even the foundation that matches you perfectly might not match certain parts of your face. And I think that's what confuses people. Like, should I match my neck? Should I match my face? What should I? Like, how should
and they
I?
always test it out on my hand, and I'm like, but my hand is like the same color as my face.
Your face, yeah.
So.
And also, Geraldine has a lot of yellow tones, but foundation companies sometimes think that when you're dark, you're orange immediately, but you're not. Like, not all dark people have an orange undertone. Like, she has more of a yellow undertone.
Yeah.
But by the time I'm done with the makeup, you wouldn't even see. Like, and I actually prefer using, even for myself, I use more of a redder undertone, because remember how I talked about like the hyperpigmentation and stuff? Basically, if you use a redder foundation, what tends to happen is it also helps color correct your skin. So by the time you put all the other products and even it out, your skin looks flawless because this foundation is already kind of color correcting as a foundation. You know what I mean? I hope that makes sense.
It does.
Ah!
I think I just want like a very 90s girl look. You know how they
lip that I got, maybe if that's what we end up using, and I think you'll like it because it definitely gives.
Oh, that's
like,
what we're gonna
girls.
use. Definitely.
Oh, cool.
Because I wanted you to feel comfortable in what I was doing, so I was gonna do your black lip.
The liner.
Yeah.
That is my go-to.
I love this foundation on you. Just not the shade right now. To be honest, I ain't gonna lie to you.
But doesn't it oxidize and like
yes,
get
it
darker?
does. It does. Not even darker. It just get.
I love you. I love her.
Not you wanting to take my daughter away.
Oh no, I return people's children.
Do you see the shaping that I was talking about? So this is in specific areas, but this is only so. What this does is like I'm bringing back the definition of your face, because if you think about it as a canvas, you just took away all the definition. It's like shading. So the concealer is like giving you your shade back, basically.
I thought that's what contour did.
Contour does do that, but that's the darkness.
Oh, you gotta brighten it up first.
Yeah,
I see.
It's like art. It's like, you know, when you draw somebody. Well,
no.
Yeah.
No, you know.
We ain't gonna do that. We ain't.
I don't be drawn.
We ain't. No, I don't be drawn.
No.
So.
That's crazy, because I didn't know that you could use concealer to shape. I feel like I always would just put concealer on my under eye, like just thinking also. That it was like, oh, I'm using this I use it to brighten up dark spots, not corrector. I would use concealer to do that.
Yeah, well, you can also use concealer to do that, but when you're doing a full coverage look, that's what the difference is. The full coverage look will require you to do things a little differently. In comparison to doing like a more natural look.
I see.
So yeah. For concealer, you'll start to see your skin evening out.
I should have taken that thing off. Okay.
I don't know when I need to change. When can I change my nose thingy?
How long have you had it?
Since last year, September.
Yeah, you can change it.
But it has been giving problems sometimes. Does yours still hurt sometimes?
No. I've had mine for
years.
Yeah, since literally, it was my first piercing, and I got it like freshman year of undergrad. So I've had it for like almost 10 years. Yeah, over 10 years.
This is actually my favorite piercing.
Yeah, same.
I love it.
I know.
Same.
The only thing I don't like, I didn't want silver, but you know, tattoo shops.
Yeah.
Girl, that's why I went to this place in Towson. That's like it's a piercing place, but it's funny because when I got my septum, he was like, do you want gold? And I was like, yes, I want a gold septum.
Maybe it's my
only person that I've seen that silver jewelry looks good on is my brother, and it's because he's so dark, so it kind of looks really nice. But I do not like silver jewelry, so I had a silver one. I went back and I had to pay extra $100
I'm scared
to get a gold. But he was like, if you don't like it, you can come back in 2 weeks. Yeah, I came back in 2 weeks. I was like, you're not playing with me.
Yeah,
you're done. You're done.
And the guy was like, you can change it in 2 weeks. I said, I absolutely cannot.
So I came back. I was like,
Janelle, didn't you want me to change your septum?
I did, but I didn't buy a new one, so right now.
Like, it's evened out now. Like, it looks more natural.
Yay. You didn't think you were going to get a comedy show.
Your skin looks so good. Your skin. Well, I mean, I always knew your skin looked good, but
your skin is impeccable.
Like, it's so nice. Like, girl, if I had
probably because you're also so sweet, so it just pours out.
Yeah, it's the love of Jesus Christ.
You guys are so nice.
remember we had blush because first of all, my makeup is about to swallow your makeup. So let's not do that. Let's not do that.
Girl, get it. Oh my god.
My phone cannot be dead. It was on the charger all night long.
Is it just acting weird?
Geraldine, you are such a beautiful girl.
Thank you.
Like, what the hell, man?
You guys are really making me feel good about myself, and I be struggling sometimes.
Girl, everybody struggles.
I think it's a lot to do with the weight that I've gained, and I'm just not used to seeing myself look like that in the mirror.
I now feel like I have to add this. Like, that's so... Like, I don't know. I just really appreciate when people are real about how they feel. You know what I mean? Like, because it's real. To be honest, when I gain weight, especially in your face.
Yeah.
Bro,
oh my gosh. I be looking at myself smiling, and I'm like, damn, my face is huge.
You know what? But I told you this before. Like, I feel the opposite because
that is everybody's perception.
Yeah.
Like, for me, I like my face being very chiseled because when I put on makeup, you can really see the contour. Yeah. I love your face like this. Oh, you know what I mean? Because it makes your cheeks rosier. You look so healthy.
Not in a negative feminine, but like you just look more like adult.
Yes.
Like you look like a woman.
And you know the thing is, like, a lot of people don't think about.
You do, because it's just like I think also like the roundness is just like it makes you look softer.
Yeah.
I guess I've been a like basically the same size my entire life. None of my clothes fit anymore, and it's like I'll literally when I moved, there was things that I had got just a few months ago that could not fit.
Jesus Christ, I'm like dying. You look so blush is so good.
Thanks, guys. That like literally did not fit, and I was just like, what the heck? Like, am I really like big? Like, am I really just?
But you see, that's the problem. Because as a woman, we go through these stages where we either gain weight, whether baby weight, whether just food weight, and we don't realize that we actually have to grow up. Like, you have to grow into your woman body, and sometimes you have to accept who the woman is now.
I feel like that's the body that you're in now.
Yes, like you're a woman.
Adult Geraldine.
Yes, this is adult Geraldine. You have to get used to her. This isn't baby Geraldine. The difference between women, but people don't know that that's the difference between women. They're like, how come some women look like this and some
My niece actually told me that Janila. She was like, TT, your face looks so different, like from when you used to live at this old house. I like your other face. I was like, gee, thanks, I like this face better. But she was like, you look so much older. Like then you looked younger. I said, because I was.
Right.
That was almost like 5 years ago. I was younger.
Kids.
I'm 31.
I'm 30.
I think this is where I'm going to record my podcast. Perfect. Thank you, Geraldine.
You're welcome.
This is also why
Janelle, you should be on her podcast.
Yes, that's actually what she was going to keep looking up, because we're going to do the powder. I don't want too much powder on your skin because your skin has like such a nice luminance to it already.
It's the jojoba oil.
Ho!
I need to get that back. When I was using the African black soap that I was buying from the Yoni girl mixed with the jojoba oil.
That is my entire skin.
You know what's funny? I used to use the pure African black soap, and it was nice. But when I use that Shea Moisture African black soap,
oh, I love that one. That's the one that I use. It smells so good.
Yeah, it's not about her at all. It's just.
I feel
it's
like
the consumers that are.
Yeah.
I feel like I wonder if people.
Do you see how that evened it out? The powder evened it out. Now it's her skin tone. All of a sudden, it doesn't have that redness. That's what I love about working with warm foundation.
Oh.
Because it's just so perfect. Like I love doing that. Like.
This is how I want my makeup to look like. Very clean.
That's what I'm saying.
Very polished.
Janelle, stop it.
Oh yeah.
She said she wants to look like she has no makeup on. Do you see how much makeup I put on her?
Yeah, I know I be having a lot of makeup on. I just want to look.
It's the facade that we try and get.
I just want to look like this is how I look. Thank you, Jesus.
Oh,
yay! Came on.
Amen. Praise God. Hallelujah.
Yo, my phone.
Hallelujah. Praise God. Amen. Amen.
That's how you
Hallelujah.
First of all,
Praise God.
whole session.
Wait, what happened?
Brows. For these brows.
Sorry, I don't get my eyebrows done.
No, I love it.
I like it. I I like it.
I love thick.
I just wish
me
me too, girl.
I almost got them done, but then I was like,
don't do it. Don't do it.
Not. Oh, now I don't have to shave my underarms because I'm wearing that black dress.
Ah!
oh my gosh, my armpits are too not shaved.
First of all,
I'm okay with them not being shaved.
first of all, who shaves their armpits in the winter?
I don't shave nothing in the winter. It's too cold. I need that
what?
extra layer of protection.
I do, yeah.
If I feel like I'm gonna wear something, well, sometimes I might wear something where like my underarms are see-through, and if it's like too much hair, it's like okay, just trim it down a little bit and take it off.
So,
Usually, I like using eyeshadow because it gives more of like a natural appearance. I love a natural.
She's
Thank you.
just so sweet and so quiet. And
not that I have a favorite child of yours. I do love Ivana, but I'm still Team Amari.
I
love
the favorite
her.
child isn't even the child that you're holding.
Right?
I love her too though, because I still love her. But Amari, that's my boy. That's my dude. I love him.
The question is,
Where is it?
do I have it in my car?
Oh Jesus!
Because I have my hair bag in my car.
Check it.
I am gonna check it.
Just to make sure.
Cause I feel like it won't show, but well, maybe it's good.
Like your face is like literally a camera.
No to your question too, Janelle.
Maybe I just don't remember.
You are cute as fuck.
They're my favorite parts of my face.
Amazing.
You know, I used to hate my moles.
No,
Because
they're
people
so
used to bully
cute.
me about
Girl,
You should
people used to
bully
bully
them
me
back.
about my freaking hair on my legs, and do you know how many times?
Oh,
Oh my gosh,
the
people used
hair
to
on
bully
my
me about
lip,
the hair on my
unibrow,
arms.
and my mole. I said I don't want to go to school.
And now they want it.
Right.
I was like, what the hell is that?
My little sister being a weirdo.
I think everybody should.
It's okay, you do. You are actually doing an amazing job, honey. Great job. Okay. So the way I'm doing this is I'm actually gonna blend it instead of like, you know how people do like, they put the lip gloss. Don't touch your lips together.
Okay. I knew I wasn't supposed to.
Cause I'm gonna blend. That's how. I'm gonna
Oh
blend
my
it.
God!
What happened?
It just doesn't want to do what I wanted to do.
Do you want some help?
No, I want to get this.
Okay. You got it. We believe in you. You're very.
Very determined. I can tell.
Yes.
Okay, blot together. Blot, 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 blot.
Stressing me
Blot
out.
again. Blot again. Okay, cool. Blot again. All right. So now we're not done. We just gotta do a little highlighter.
See how I don't do makeup is that I put gold eyeshadow on as highlight.
No, that's fine. It's whatever.
It doesn't look good though.
Uh-oh.
Good.
Well,
Well, it would if I knew where to place it.
okay.
I'll say that.
First of all, what is going on with me? Okay, there we go.
Well, I was just like, how can you even do this? It's upside down. So, ooh, look at that touch. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, wait.
It's a model thing, yeah. Oh yeah, come on now. Ooh yeah, you look so good. You look so good, girl. Uh-oh. Sorry. Oh, it's me. Not you. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, there we go. You're so pretty. Okay, let's stop.